Welcome back, and we playing Minion Rush. I know it's an old game.
It's so white.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Turn with the phone.
It will turn. It will turn.
I'm gonna put the flash down because I have it too. Wait, guys, I gotta log it out first.
No, it was good.
Wait. Sorry, guys. My brother's crying. Wait, guys, I gotta turn it off. Okay. Now we good, guys.
Oh, I see now.
So now we're gonna play Basketball Stars. So play defense. Play defense.
Yeah.
Or shooting race.
Shooting race. Yeah, shooting race.
I'm gonna smoke him. Ask Justin that I smoked him last time.
And
In the
it's
defense.
And it's for $1,000.
So watch me smoke him. Michael. Ooh, already I got 2 points. What is you doing? I already got 5.
This is good. Nice shot.
Ooh, I missed it. He got 13 to 13. Oh,
Way off.
lucky ball, let's go. Still not lucky ball. Tie, please. Oh, he got 15. I got this. 15 to 15. Let's go.
Ooh.
And I still won it. Oh, sorry guys, I lost. Oh my god.
19 to 21. You get $1,000. Yeah, get a rematch. Really? He said no?
You need to eat something, so now we're gonna play another game. It is going
Sonic. Mortal Kombat.
We play Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat.
Wait, I need to turn it around because I can hear everywhere. So I see it's kind of dark. This is my phone, guys.
Okay, put it back up. Okay, look. Look, open pack opening.
That was fast, right?
Man, Mortal Kombat, one of the best games ever.
I haven't played this in a long time. We can play this game.
Yeah, because
What should we play? I got
Sonic Race.
a lot of games.
Oh, the impossible game.
Oh my god. Impossible quiz, guys. Impossible quiz. Start.
¿Qué abanico?
Oh, he got it.
Mano oh.
Oh. KO. The answer. Gotta go here. Here.
Oh my god.
The elephant. Yes.
Oh my god, he's good.
He wants ice, so tell Mexico.
You need help with that one? No, this
Oh,
one.
I got it wrong.
This one.
Yeah, I got it right. Teeth.
He's got to be good for something.
N.
N.
No. Oh, yeah.
I gave him the dollar right here.
Hard to click. So little. Finally.
What?
Oh, phone.
No. Torch.
Horse.
Let's
go.
You got a dollar for me?
I'll share it.
H.
No.
So give it to me. So
Oh, it wasn't.
Stop complaining.
24 minus 7. I think that's 2.
18.
2.
Damn. Caibo.
Ese primero.
Press.
House.
Try.
No sabes 50 cheques.
Damn.
De cuadra que yo veo, la Nori.
The
You're gonna have 50 cents left. That's from all of these cups.
bucket. The bucket. We lost.
Damn. We gotta wait until the stupid video comes.
Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, favorite, and I'm out.